Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is time for us to set our budget up for May. So let's get into it. New month, new vibe. And it is time to just get our budget set up so that we could tackle those financial goals that we want to achieve this month and this time around. One thing that I wanted to say, each month is unique to itself. I just wanted to put that out there because sometimes we try to replicate or duplicate the same budget each month, and when we don't do so, we tend to beat ourselves up. And I don't think that should be the case. Each month is unique, so each budget should be unique for that particular month. But that's just my take on that. Let's just jump right into the budget and put our money to work. Let's start off with my income. For this month, I am going to be budgeting for a total of $3,291. Yes, down to that very dollar. So that's what the budget is set for. Let's just jump right into it. So far, guys, I've been doing good on groceries. Like, look at me. Who is she? Staying on top of her grocery budget, right? So I think bumping my grocery budget up has done wonders. So now I don't feel like I'm failing consistently month after month. So I'm going to continue with the $600, and believe it or not, I've been having money left over from the $600. So that is a plus. So $600 for groceries, then I'm going to budget $200 for gas, which I've been under my budget for gas for a few months now. I made a couple of changes and that's been working out fine, as well as the price of gas has gone down substantially. For children, I am going to be budgeting $40. Entertainment will be getting $40, and then miscellaneous will get $40. So $40 all across the board, and I'm not going to forget to add things up as I go along. So let's just do the math and see where we are with this. So $920 will be going towards my cash envelope. All right, you guys know the deal with my bills. I don't really go into details that much, but for my total bill for bills for this month will be $1,027. Okay, moving on, and this is gonna be short, sweet, quick, to the point type of thing budget. I already did a couple of things, so it'll make things speed up a bit more. So for my visa number 1, I am going to be putting, what did I say for that one? So I know that I want to put a total of $500 towards debt. So I'm just going to put $500 at the bottom and then kind of work my way from there. So let's see. For my MasterCard, I want to put $186. Okay, so let me just see, 500 take away 186. Okay, so now I have 314. So 20 will go towards my back tuition, minus 20. So now I have $294. Visa number 1, I'm going to do 200, and then visa number 2, I'll put 94. So that's pretty much it for the debts, and that totals out to $500. All right, so moving on to my sinking funds. For my high priority binder, I'm going to put $100 in there. For lifestyle, 120. My business will be getting 35. And then my dream home binder will be getting $100. So let's do some math there. Okay, so that gives me $335 going towards my sinking funds. Or no, that gives me $355 going towards my sinking funds for this month. Okay, moving on down. All right, so let's get into my saving challenge, my major saving challenge for this month. Okay, so I want to put 25 for emergency, 65 for my 50 envelope, then $10 for my $5 envelope, and 20 for my $10 envelope, 15 for my 5, 10, 15, and then for self-care, I'll put $10. Luxury purchase will also get 10 as well. Bingo, I'm going to budget for the max, which is $40 because that is a scratch off. So I rather over budget than under budget. Over the rainbow will be getting $10, 52 weeks, 20. All right, rainy day will be getting 20 as well. Bon voyage, my vacation envelope will also get 20, and it looks like my pen is running out. Let me just switch it up and see if I have more ink in this one. 31 days will be getting $20. Roll the dice. I'm going to budget $20 for that. And I will be budgeting 20, but if I get less than the 20, I'll just put that towards my deck of cards, because I don't budget for deck of cards. It's just basically whatever's left over, I'll contribute to that particular envelope for my scratch off, doing the max on that. So that's $30. Girls just want to have fun. We'll be getting 20, and my $15 challenge will just get the 15, and my spring challenge will get 10, and then dream home will get 20. So let's add all of that and see where we are. Okay, so that gives me $340, and I think I messed up because I know I want to. All right, let's just go with that. All right, so that is $340. So that gives me $340 going towards my saving challenge, and I might put a little bit more, but we'll see how that goes. So we'll just put $340 for now. And then for my mini saving challenge, which is my support others and save, I am going to be. Okay guys, I'm not too sure what happened with the rest of the footage that I made. I thought everything was great, but upon editing, things seemed to kind of went south with that situation. So just to kind of tie things up, I pretty much wanted to show you that for the mini challenge, which is supporting others and save, I was going to put the $60 towards that challenge, and that would total out my overall saving challenge to $400. I was kind of confused as to why it wasn't adding up to the $400, but after plugging in the mini challenge, I was like, okay, that got me to the $400, and that's where I was kind of like having a little bit of discrepancy with my numbers. So we're just gonna look at the summary. Saving challenge, I have a total of $400 going towards that. Once I add that all up, my cash envelope, bills, debts, sinking funds and saving challenge. That gives me a total of $3,202. And once I take away that amount from my overall income, I have a balance of $28. So that's pretty much it. I don't even know where the footage went, but that's all that's missing. So until next time, catch you guys in another one. Bye.